Claude Opus 4.8 plus Gemini 3.5, Flash is a game changer. Two AI models just changed everything. Thinks deep, moves fast. Together, build you a real SEO tool. No coding, no developers, no waiting. In 10 minutes, you'll go from zero to a working app. This is how the smartest people are growing right now. Watch. Two new AI models just dropped. Claude Opus 4.8 from Anthropic and Gemini 3.5 Flash from Google. And here's the thing most people get wrong. They pick one and try to do everything with it. What if you stopped doing that? What if you used each one for what it's actually built to do? Claude for deep thinking and building. Gemini for speed and finding patterns. Two different tools. One unstoppable combination. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to use this combo to build a real SEO tool. Not a blog post. A real working app. No code. No developers. Let me show you how these two work. Claude Opus 4.8 is the newest flagship from Anthropic. It's stronger at coding, better at long horizon tasks, and it's honest. Won't let you build something broken. It tells you when something won't work and why. Gemini 3.5 Flash is built for speed. It's 4 times faster than other top models, but still smart. It's brilliant at sorting massive information, spotting patterns, and surfacing opportunities in seconds. Here's the mantra: search, find the gold, build the thing. So let's walk through this step by step. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this for the AI Profit Boardroom, the community where we teach people how to use AI to automate their business and grow. Step 1. Deep strategy research with Claude. You ask Claude to research something in depth. For the boardroom, you'd say research Claude Opus 4.8 and Gemini 3.5 Flash in depth. Compare how they help with SEO, content, and automation. Then find the best ways the AI Profit Boardroom could use AI to get more traffic and leads from Google. Give me clear sections and real examples. Claude produces keyword ideas specific to your niche, finds content gaps where people are looking, gives you automation strategies, and builds a structured knowledge base you can reuse. Don't rush this. Weak foundation means everything falls apart. Step 2. Finding SEO opportunities with Gemini. You take that research and turn it into workflows. You ask Gemini, using this research, give me the 10 best SEO workflows that combine Claude and Gemini to grow the AI Profit Boardroom. Focus on keyword research, content planning, fixing weak content, and SEO audits. For each one, explain why it helps. Gemini gives you 10 clear workflows with purposes, how the tools work together, and real examples. An AI automation keyword finder. Weak post optimizer. A question-based content planner. All tied to growing the boardroom. Here's what most people do wrong. They look at 10 workflows and try to do all of them. Stop. Pick one. The one that moves the needle most. Speaking of AI automation, this is exactly what we teach inside the AI Profit Boardroom. How to take new AI tools like Claude Opus 4.8 and Gemini 3.5 Flash and actually use them to grow your business. If you want to learn how to save time, automate your business, and get more traffic and leads with AI, the boardroom is where we do it. Links in the comments and description. Let's keep going. Step 3. Creating the system. You go back to Gemini and say, pick the most powerful workflow for growing the AI Profit Boardroom with SEO. Then expand it into a complete system. Give me every step. Inputs, outputs, quality checks, best practices. Make it so clear a new team member could follow it without asking questions. Gemini gives you a step-by-step process, checklists, and quality checks. It thinks of things you forgot. You go from a fuzzy idea to a system you could hand to someone and walk away. Step 4. Designing your AI SEO tool with Claude. You ask Claude, based on that SEO system, design a complete AI-powered SEO tool for the AI Profit Boardroom. Define what it does, main features, user flow, inputs and outputs, dashboard sections. Walk me through it from start to finish. Claude produces a full product blueprint. Features like keyword finder, content optimizer, internal link advisor, SEO audit. Flags features that won't work and tells you why. That honesty saves you from building junk and wasting time. Step 5. Coding the app without developers. You ask Claude, using that tool spec, build the full app. Write HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a clean, responsive single-page web app for the AI Profit Boardroom SEO tool. Include main features, sample data, professional design. Give me the code so I can copy and run it. Claude outputs the full code. You copy it into an HTML file. Open it in your browser. Working app. No coding skills. No dev team. No waiting. Here's why this scales. Every step feeds the next. Research feeds opportunities. Opportunities feed the system. The system feeds the tool plan. The tool plan feeds the code. It's a chain. Each link makes the next one stronger. Most people write a blog post and wonder why nothing happens. But you're making real tools and systems that keep working while you sleep. Tools help you make stuff faster, helps people find it. You need both. Here's the real talk. You can build all the shiny AI tools you want, but if nobody finds you on Google, you're talking to an empty room. That's not growth. That's a hobby. Real growth happens when people find you and want it. If you want more leads and more traffic, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Book a free SEO strategy session. Links in the comments and description. And if you want the full process, the SOPs, and more than 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's a free AI community. You'll get all the video notes plus access to our community of 67,000 members crushing it with AI. They're building tools, automating their businesses, and growing like crazy. Links in the comments and description. So here's the recap. You research with Claude. You find opportunities with Gemini. You build the system with Gemini. You design the tool with Claude. You code it with Claude. 3 moves, 1 real tool. If you got value from this, drop a comment and tell me what tool you'd build first. Read every single comment. You in the next one.